graders, welcome to Buchanan. I'm Mrs. Small and we're the Brown classroom. Coming in and I'll show you our room. As you can see, things look a little different than they did in kindergarten. One thing that's very different for all of us teachers and students is we're all going to have iPads, so that'll be a learning experience for you and me. We have a hitting table here in the back. That's where we're going to do some small group work, and everyone else will be kind of doing independent work at that time. I also laid out, as you can see on all of our desks, things that'll get us started for the first day of school. As you can see, walking around, I really like monsters. So up here at the front of the class, I have a build a monster, and that's going to kind of be our behavior motivator. So anytime we do something good or our class is acting really nice, I'll add a monster piece. And when we fill that whole monster up, we'll get some kind of class prize or some kind of party type activity for our class. Students and peers, I do have a little popsicle stick with my picture on it that will be coming home to you in the mail sometime this week. And that's just for your child to feel more comfortable, kind of know who they're looking for, since you won't be able to come into the door with them on the first day. So yeah, I can't wait to see all of you on August 24th.